How's it going? In this episode I'm using a G&G LevAR, custom built by LongbowBB. It features a short stroke lever action, precision internal upgrades and running sniper power limits with HPA. My sidearm is a custom Mark 23. Team Narco have finished production of new contraband. We know the location and we're going to steal it from them. However, they know we're coming and are on heightened alert. I'm going to go to this holly just up here. Yeah, I see him. You're 11 o'clock, 60 metres, going round to 12, coming down the ditch. We must be close to the cartel's hideout as I spot the Don's elite foot soldiers identified by their pink armbands. I've spotted the Don. With the lever's range and stealth, he won't even know what's coming to him. The boss man down. With the top man and his elite foot soldiers down, my team move in closer to their hideout to mop up any outstanding resistance. Yeah, I see him, yeah. Got him. Oh. The cartel's hideout is secure, and squads move in to clear out the contraband. My small squad of ghillies head out to the extraction point to secure it for the drop-offs. You with me, Brad? There's at least two more over there. There's a second one there. There was another one there. Lads, friendly, friendly. Straight over that way. I'm going to follow up behind them, Brad. The first delivery of contraband has arrived. My ghillie squad follow in behind in the event they run into trouble. There's going to be trouble. How far back are they? Friendlies all over fuel dump. Fuel dump secured. Oh shit. Look out. Village side of fuel dump. Contact! The Grey Fox hears my call and moves in with his Sega 12K.
I know. I'm the new Pope.
The cartel team are lurking in the bushes, ready to make a counter-offensive. I head in to flush them out. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like, and I definitely recommend the video that's on the screen now for more stealthy airsoft action. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.